Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Whitney TF9, color code 199. It's a soft black silver color frame. There's a Tom Ford logo engraved on the top right lens. There's a silver detailing on the side of the temples, and a silver Tom Ford logo at the tip of the temples, as well for this side. This frame is made in Italy. And the lenses are a dark gray color. Up here, we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.